Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 7 Ace with Esther course book chapter number 7 The Remarkable Rocket. A part, answer these questions. Question number 1, describe the princess and how did she reach the castle? Answer, she was a Russian princess who was pale and looked like a white rose. She reached the castle by driving all the way from Finland in a sledge drawn by 6 reindeers. Question number 2, what was the difference in opinion between the rocket and the squib? Answer, the difference in opinion between the rocket and the squib was the rocket thought that the king's son was fortunate that he was getting married on that very day, but the rocket was being let off, and the squib's opinion was that they were being let off in the prince's hour. Question number 3, what was the rocket's opinion about itself? How does it describe its ancestry? Answer, the rocket's opinion about itself was that he was remarkable rocket and came from remarkable parents. His mother was the most celebrated Catherine Wheel of her day and was renowned for her graceful dancing. She spun around 19 times before she went out. His father was of French extraction. He flew very high that people were afraid that he would never come back again. Question number 4. Why did the rocket feel that its companions were hollow and empty? Answer, the rocket felt that its companions were hollow and empty because they had a petty view of life. Question number 5. What did the two little boys say to the rocket and why? Answer, the two little boys told the rocket, look at this old stick, and wondered how it came here. They said, let us put it into the fire and it will help boil the kettle. Question number 6. Why wasn't the eventual launch of the rocket remarkable? Answer, the eventual launch of the rocket wasn't remarkable because it went up straight into the air during the day and there was nobody who saw it, not even the boys. They were fast asleep. Now let's move to section B. Answer these questions with reference to the context. Number 1. I prefer them to stars myself, as you always know when they are going to appear, and they are as delightful as my own flute playing. A part, who is I in this context? Answer, the king is the I here. B part, what does he prefer? Answer, the king prefers the fireworks. C part, why does he prefer them? Answer, he preferred them because he knew when they were going to appear. Now second question, let the fireworks begin. A part, who is the speaker? The king is the speaker. B part, what happened after he said this? Answer, after the king said this, the pyrotechnician with his 6 attendants came to end of garden with a lighted torch at the end of a long pole. C part, describe the fireworks. Answer, the fireworks were a magnificent display that lit up the sky. Now third question, delightful, he cried, I shall go on like this forever. What a success I am. A part, who is the speaker? The remarkable rocket said these lines given above. B part, what was the speaker's opinion about himself? Answer, the speaker's opinion about himself was that he was delightful and remarkable. Also, he was child of remarkable parents. Now C part, was he really successful? Why or why not? Answer, no, he was not very successful. This is because it was lit off in bright daylight and no one saw it, even though there were two boys to see, but they couldn't because they were fast asleep. Now, let's move to the next question. Think and answer. Question number 1. What are the characteristics of the remarkable rocket, and do you think these characteristics help one grow in life? Give reasons for your answer. The rocket always used to glorify or boast about himself. He was so obsessed from himself that he thought himself superior and others inferior. Example, when the sweeper said him bad rocket, he heard grand rocket because he was so obsessed from himself. These characteristics never help someone to grow in life because if we don't accept our failure or don't point out any mistake, we cannot succeed and learn new things. Now, question number 2. What do you understand about the Russian culture of weddings? How is it different from our culture? Give example from story. Answer. In the Russian culture, they are magnificent, lavish, and royal wedding. The bride and groom walk hand in hand. The celebration involves dancing, singing, and music. The marriage happens by exchanging rings, whereas in Indian Hindu culture, two garlands are exchanged, also known as Varmala. The marriage in Hinduism is placed only on holy times, which the priest decide. In Russian, the wedding happen only in 2-3 days, but in Hindu culture, it takes a lot of days as there are many rituals also known as rasams. In Hindu culture, there are many performances and a royal dinner before the holy time. Question number 3. Fireworks are being discouraged. What is your opinion? Answer. It is a good thing that fireworks are discouraged as it is harmful to animals, humans, and environment. Burning firecrackers is a problem to babies as well as old people, as when there is loud noise, babies get scared and cry continuously, and it is harmful to the ones who are aged as loud noises can harm their ear and heart. Also, those who are suffering from asthma or heart diseases get affected due to the high level of pollution. It is harmful to animals as they get scared and hide under cars and cause accidents. Also, when they lose patience, they can bite someone. So, we should not burn crackers. Thank you. Now the chapter is complete. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.